What better young person activity is there than bird watching? The primary point scoring or receiving in this game isn't actually anything to do with the knowledge of the birds.
We've got to copy them, haven't we?
You've got to blooming well copy them.
Okay.
Dave will play a bird call. You will both have to do your best impressions of the bird. Okay?
I can't wait to watch John do this because he is an introvert. And
I'm already going through bird songs in my head and imagining how I would do
He's going to be I could do a wood pigeon, I think.
The person that I think has impressed me the most and given the best the bird impression, I will then ask you to go for the bonus points of guessing what type of bird it is. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here is bird number 1.
That's a bird, is it, Dave?
That's a
pig, Dave.
That's a bird.
Madman.
Ellis, we'll come to you first.
A goose.
No, you're
What?
you're imitating.
There you go.
Yeah, John.
That's disgusting. That is horrible to watch.
John's face.
But it's accurate.
Wasting your time talking about your drink problem on stage when you could be doing that.
Could be doing that. Could be impersonating a vague pig goose.
So it's 1 to John. You're in play for the bonus round. Ellis isn't.
I wonder if it might be a swan.
You think it might be a swan?
Yeah, good shot.
It was a goose.
Ah, I should have said goose.
He should have gone with goose, you silly goose.
What sort of goose?
It's a big one.
One was stuck in his throat.
That was really good, John.
Yeah. Thanks,
that
Dave.
was really good.
Yeah.
This next one's fun.
Okay.
Okay, round 2. John, to you first, please.
Okay.
It's so good. Do you want to hear it again?
Oh, he's copying my technique.
I know.
Yeah, John put his hands over his mouth.
Yeah, and gave a look of concentration I've never seen on anyone before.
Go on, Al. Both close. I will say both are very close. I think there was just a couple of falters in Ellis's. John's was spot on.
Thanks, Dave.
It's 2-0 to John. What was the bird, John? You get the bonus point.
I'm going to say a partridge.
Partridge.
Good guess.
But it's not, because Alan Partridge does an impression of a partridge. It's like,
Oh, is it?
That's very different.
yeah, sorry.
That's a
Owl.
pterodactyl.
Was it?
Yeah,
Was it?
it was an owl. So no bonus points.
Surely now it's woo woo.
Different types.
What sort of owl was it?
A big one. Again. Round 3.
Dave, you've got to remember, I broadly impersonate regions of about 100 to 150,000 people.
Yeah.
For instance, there were some Geordie builders outside the studio earlier on. I could have done all of them.
Yeah.
But birds, out of my comfort zone.
Good. I know, you're losing 2-0. Okay. They've both got their eyes closed, both Ellis and John, deep in concentration to replicate that bird sound. Ellis, go. What are you doing with your
Really
hands?
hard. Concentrating, Dave.
John.
That sounds like a demonic clown who's gone wrong in a sort of Stephen King film.
Ellis gets the point. Ellis gets the... Close, though. Both good stuff.
John gave it too much welly there.
Do you know what? That's absolutely
He
right.
needs it too much.
He needs it. What's the bird? In fact, Al, you could draw here if you suddenly get the type of bird right out of nowhere.
I don't know. A big duck.
It's a crow.
Was it?
Yeah.
Fair play.
Number 4. Here we go. It's saying Dave. Yeah. John first.
Okay.
That's a sex noise, John.
That's quite good.
He lights a cigarette.
That's good, Dave.
It is good.
Is he rolling? Is it rolling?
He's
a bit too
rolling,
much?
and I don't think there was a roll. Can we hear it again, please?
Sounds like a trumpet with a mute on it.
Yeah. John gets the point. I think you sounded like another bird. Did it almost a pigeon sound, what you're going for there, Elis? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a guess? You're never going to get this.
Was it a nighthatch?
No, it was a penguin.
Was it?
See, we're learning as well, actually, with this game, aren't we? Which is quite nice.
Good fun. Good harmless fun.